Listen to your song from the beginning. The break is just 4 bars long, running from bar 25 to 29. In the introduction, we created a slow build-up. Then came the big chorus. So we have reached a peak. We are now going to bring the song down before we start building it up again. That is the job of the break. We only need 3 or 4 loops in it, as we literally are just taking a short break from the main song. Let's start with the beat. We're going to explore the search function to do this, as we can quickly find what we're looking for. To find the search function, we need to go to Loops, scroll down to the pack that you've used, and here we see Search Loops. So here I'm going to type in beat, and straight away all the beats appear. Okay, that's the one I like. So I'm going to bring it down here and drop it there. And you notice it's on the beat track. And I'm going to start from bar 25, which I'm exactly on. The break is only 4 bars long, so it automatically finishes here at bar 29. So that's my beat. I want 2 more loops. I like that, so let's try it. I'm going to put it on a synth track. Here's one on the top, guitar, synth or keys. Let's have a listen to those together. Okay, that sounds good. The last loop I'm going to use is, I think, an effects sample. So let's first of all, let's try the search engine. That's quite interesting. I think I'm going to give that a try. I'm bringing it down here, and that's because this is the effects track. And I want to keep all the effects on the same track, all the beats, all the bass, and all the guitars, synths or keys. Let's have a listen. Don't forget to save your work. I'm happy with those samples, but there are a number of edits that I want to make my break a little more dramatic and interesting. Watch the next video to find out how to use automation, volume and panning, as well as some advanced slicing tricks.